I'll make me a quick video here of 2 Christmas gifts I got from my sons, Cameron and Charlie. First one, my son Cameron made it. He calls it the glob rod. He made it in welding class. It's made of stainless steel and different things. He patinaed it with beer and salt and clear coated it. Mighty nice. I'll let y'all take a good look at it. Move my camera around a little bit. Getting real good at welding. He calls it the glob rod. Pretty cool, ain't it? Like it, patina. Well, it's got stainless panels and everything in it. Stainless ain't that easy to weld. Give it a closer look. That is sweet. Thank you, my son. Pops loves you. Give you a 360 here. See the stainless plate. The wheels and tires are made out of nuts. Your headers. Pretty cool. Might put that in the background on my diecast videos or set my turntable on it. It'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it? Thank you, my son. I really, really like it. Now let me set my camera down. Let me show you what my son Charlie ordered me for my fishing YouTube channel. Fishing with Papaw Dave. I'm using my other one on my Diecast Dave channel. This is beautiful. Thank you, my son. Pops loves you. It's a knife. Coming in a wooden engraved box, you see. Let me get it in frame for you. Fishing with Papaw Dave. What do you think about that? Ain't that beautiful? It's got Fishing with Papaw on the box and then Dave on the knife so I can carry the knife in my pocket with my name on it. I'm going to use this on my unboxing videos on my YouTube channel. Come in a nice wooden case. Let me move the camera over a little bit. Very nice. I love it. That is so cool right there. Very, very cool. Thank you, my son. I'll keep it forever. Nice engraving job on it. I sure do thank you fellas for my gifts. You know me, any gift I get, I keep it forever. I love them both, and I love you both. 2 of the best gifts I could have got this year. You make an old man misty-eyed. Well, I just thought I'd show y'all my 2 awesomely fabulous things I got for Christmas. I shall catch y'all on the flip side.